How to become a programmer. Now, becoming a programmer is no walk in the park. It requires endless lines of code and continuous hard work. If you know you're not ready for it, leave.
Are you serious right now, bro?
But fear not, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 6 tips that will guide you on your journey to becoming a programmer. So stick around to the end of the video because the most crucial tip is going to be saved for last.
Nice.
Tip number 1 is passion and persistence. Programming can be very challenging, but if your passion and persistence is strong enough to withstand, you will be unstoppable. And remember, programming is a lot like everything else we do in life. Whether it's riding a bike, hitting the gym, or even playing an instrument. As long as you have that passion for it, you'll be unstoppable. Trust me. As someone who has failed a lot in programming, I can assure you, your passion will push you through. Tip number 2 is to build a strong foundation. Now, programming is really broad, and you have to make sure you understand your beginning fundamentals if you truly want to get good at it. I recommend you understand programming to its core and learn by doing, because programming isn't something that you can just learn by watching people do. You actually have to do it yourself to be able to get that experience. And trust me, it isn't going to be easy. But if you do it yourself, you're training your brain to get used to certain patterns, and overall, you're going to improve 10 times faster. Trust me, the amount of people I've seen that just watch YouTube tutorials, please guys, don't do this. Do not fall into the YouTube tutorial help meme, because you're just deceiving yourself. And at the end of the day, if you try building that exact same project you just watched from scratch by yourself, you would not be able to do it. I guarantee you this. So please, try building projects by yourself, and if you're stuck, research. 2024 is the best time to actually build projects by yourself because you have assistants like ChatGPT and Google to actually assist you, and you can always just read the documentation. But please, do not feel pressured or feel like you have to get good fast. Programming takes time. I'm telling you, it took me 2 years to just be able to learn front-end to a beginner and intermediate level. I'm telling you, it takes a lot of time. So do not feel pressured. With that said, I know how difficult it can be for beginners learning how to code, because there's so much things to learn. I'm going to put a roadmap and some links in my description, so please make sure to check that out. The third tip is to embrace the learning process. Now, there is a lot to learn when it comes to programming, including variables, data types, control flow, operators, functions, arrays, objects and classes, inheritance, OOP, conditionals, loops, input and outputs, error handling, basic algorithms, file manipulation.
God, please,
I haven't even started the basics. There's so much to learn. Now, learning all of this requires the spirit of Kaizen. You have to be able to have continuous improvement in your life if you want to get good at programming. I'm saying this to you because I have gone through the stage and I had to learn all of these concepts I've just mentioned and more. It's truly a process. And in order for you to actually be able to withstand and go through everything, you have to have the spirit of continuous improvement. Now, my saying is strive for progress and not perfection.
Nice.
And now the fourth tip is to pick a programming language. A lot of people make a lot of stress about which programming language should I learn. Should I learn Java? Should I learn Python? Should I learn JavaScript?
Bruh.
It does not matter. Programming languages are tools. All you need to do is understand the concepts of programming and the fundamentals, and you can use any language. Except for assembly. That's on another level.
Why are you running?
Tip number 5 is developing problem-solving skills. Now listen guys, this is one of the most important skills you need as a programmer in 2024. Now, programming is all about solving problems, and solving problems requires analytical thinking and critical thinking. Every bug or problem you face in programming will make you one step closer into becoming a better developer. Now, I recommend you go on Advent of Code or LeetCode to solve all the problems, as each problem will make you better at programming, trust me. Now, the last and final tip is for you guys to get a mechanical keyboard. And this is useful because it will make you guys type way faster and make you more efficient as a developer. For keyboards I recommend you get a Boost Switch keyboard. as this is the loudest and will annoy everyone in your house and show everyone that you are a true programmer. Other than the loud clicking sounds, mechanical keyboards also allow you to have an improved tactile feedback on your keyboard, because you're able to have the sense of touch that you've touched a key on your keyboard and will make you 10 times faster as a programmer. Trust me, get a mechanical keyboard. It's really useful. If you don't know which Blue Switch keyboard to buy, I'm going to have some links of Amazon products that you can buy in the description below. I recommend you guys get Blue Switch keyboards because they're really useful, trust me. Now I know some mechanical keyboards can be really expensive, so I'm going to have a lot of price ranges of keyboards in my description for you guys to choose from. I just want to say thank you so much you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed, and if I could just ask for one thing, that you like and subscribe. Another thing is that I'm creating a Twitch channel, so in case you want to watch me live, program, play games, or watch anime, whatever you want, make sure to follow me on Twitch and also join the Discord in the description below. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.